PowerPoint because it's action. Your Excellency, the second part that came from the executive, one of them is claiming 3% of the funds for purposes of tax. The last one is your pet project in financing of education, particularly transition from secondary school, primary and secondary school, tertiary. For the bursary of National Rotary, the bill that came from the executive, sponsored by the lead houses of collection, National Rotary, so that Kenyans will not only.
Congratulations, NG-CDF amendment. I think it gives us an opportunity to work with members of parliament in every constituency to tackle two pressing matters. The matters of managing our environment because of the effects of climate change. We have to be deliberate in making sure that we engage a whole of society approach, in making sure that we intervene in various spaces that will help us manage environmental degradation, management of our water towers, management of our wetlands, and mobilizing the whole of society to intervene in that space that all of us now agree poses an existential threat, not just to Kenya, but to humanity. And the second item being attending to the very urgent and pressing matter of our youth and making sure that we provide opportunities for young people to engage in meaningful, deliberate opportunities to work. The ICT hubs that will come as a result of this intervention will give millions of young people across Kenya an opportunity in the digital space. And I'm looking forward to working with the Parliament in this space. And I'm very happy that these pieces of legislation were actually passed in a bipartisan manner in Parliament. I think that's very commendable to Parliament that when we are confronted with a situation that requires Parliament working across the political divide, Parliament has shown the necessary patriotism. It works best when institutions are working in synergy, each discharging its responsibility in accordance with the mandate given to each of the arms of government by the Constitution. And it is in the interest of Kenya that we continuously refine our legislature and the products that come from the legislature to underpin the policy positions that we are rolling out. We intend to use the lottery legislation to mobilize resources. At the moment, there is a legal lacuna, there isn't clarity, and there is a lot of guesswork. And as a result, there is also a lot of abuse. This will now consolidate the position of the law in making sure that gaming, lottery will be regulated and the resources that come from it used for good cause.